Currently, carbon dioxide emissions are increasing, global temperatures are rising, and climate change has become a major problem throughout the world. Summer highs are getting higher, and weather effects such as typhoons are larger and more destructive. During a special program on New Year's Day, NHK reported that we must reduce carbon dioxide levels within 10 years to avoid reaching a point of no return. That is, a point from which no effort would bring the state of the Earth back to normal. Flooding, drought, heat, fires, and epidemics are not new to us, but climate change is increasing their frequency and intensity around the world. As climate change progresses, plants will be decimated. This will have a cascading effect on livestock and other animals that feed off of these plants, as there will no longer be enough food for them to survive. At this current trajectory, in 20 years, we will likely resort to nourishing ourselves by eating insects, which are resilient to climate change. This is Dr. Midori Kurahashi from the University of Tokyo. She has been working to reduce carbon dioxide levels by growing small sea algae called microalgae in the desert to combat climate change. Did you know that microalgae create more than half of the Earth's oxygen? If microalgae disappear, both humans and animals will not be able to survive. Microalgae play an important role in our ecosystem. Dr. Kurahashi started her research by hypothesizing that microalgae may be useful to tackle climate change. There are several advantages of microalgae, which include the following. Unlike trees, microalgae can grow in deserts. There is no need to feed microalgae with components found in soil. Microalgae can be cultivated in seawater. Unlike trees and plants which have stems and branches made of unusable cellulose, microalgae can be used in its entirety. They are easy to handle in an industrial setting. Dr. Kurahashi's work focuses on a special type of microalgae called Dunaliella. Dunaliella has the following features: a wide range of temperature tolerance, sunlight tolerance, it does not require dissolved oxygen and water, it grows in a high concentration of salt water, avoiding contamination from unwanted bacteria or other organisms. It has a permeable cell membrane, allowing for the oil to be easily extracted. It is already cultivated on a large scale at a high value. Dunaliella can be cultivated using deep ocean water. Therefore, unlike crops grown in soil, they do not require any additional fertilizer. Dunaliella can fully take advantage of the ocean's resources. This is Dunaliella grown in Australia. However, protein and carbohydrate, glycerin fats, are discarded here. Dr. Kurahashi realized that using all parts of Dunaliella instead of discarding them would create a profitable industry while producing oxygen. Peru is already preparing to develop a biomass complex.
Cultivating more Dunaliella fields will reduce carbon dioxide, mitigate climate change, and enable mankind to continue inhabiting the Earth. We would appreciate your cooperation in spreading Dunaliella fields. This is Dunaliella.